Did you know that you can go from zero to over $50,000 on YouTube and you need no, and I will show you proof that this is actually possible. So YouTube is by far one of the easiest and fastest ways to make big money online, and it's no surprise that more and more people are now starting their own YouTube channels. And if you stay until the end of the video, I will help you maximize your results by showing you how to grow quickly and make even more money. Now, if you'd like to see how I personally make big money online from some of my other YouTube channels without showing my face, without filming my videos, without affiliate marketing, without selling any products, and sometimes even without the ad revenue, then hit the first link in the description down below, and not only will I share with you my own unique business model, but I will teach you step by step how to set it up for yourself, how to get views, how to get subscribers, and even as a bonus, how to get any YouTube channel monetized so you can make extra cash from ads as well. It's a training program that over 1,000 people are now using to build their own YouTube business. Once again, that's going to be the first link in the description down below. Okay, so I will be showing you how you can use all of these different tools, different platforms, and different websites to combine them, copy and paste, and create videos which can make you over $50,000 on YouTube again and again. And here's just proof of one of many different YouTube channels that are doing this same thing successfully. As you can see, this channel's estimated monthly earnings go all the way up to $94,800, which can actually end up being up to $1.1 million on a yearly basis. And now I'm going to show you exactly what they do, and I'm also going to show you step by step how you can create same videos basically just by copy and pasting free resources. And this is the channel that we are talking about. It's just one of many different YouTube channels that is doing this successfully. And as you can see, they're uploading just 2 different videos a week, and they're making over $90,000 a month just from the ad revenue. And if you follow each and every step from this video tutorial, I will teach you how you can create such video in less than 10 minutes of work. Quite literally, it can take you maybe up to 20 minutes to create such video with free resources which I'm about to give you. And just imagine making 2 of those videos a week and making over $90,000 a month just from the ad revenue. Now obviously you won't make $90,000 your first month. It took these guys a long time to get to the point where they're making $90,000 a month, but even if you make a portion of that, it's still decent amount of money compared to how much work you're putting into this. I mean, it can literally be up to 40 minutes of work a week for some undeniably huge amounts of money. Now basically what they're doing is, if you open up any of their videos, those are just compilations of different nature sound effects, and they're making kind of relaxing videos that people play when they want to go to sleep, when they want to fall asleep faster, or maybe someone just wants to relax. They will play on some of those videos. And since these videos are really long, they get huge watch time. I mean, just imagine someone playing this video while sleeping for 8 hours or 10 hours. These guys will get a huge amount of watch time, which is a huge boost from the YouTube algorithm, because YouTube obviously loves when you have huge watch time. Obviously they want to keep their users on the platform, and YouTube will promote videos with high watch time. So if these guys can get hours and hours worth of watch time on their videos, YouTube will obviously promote them more. Not only will YouTube promote them more, but they can run more ads in their videos, and their CPM can go super high. Just imagine how many ads they can play in a 10 hours long video. And don't worry, it's not gonna take you 10 hours to get that video done. It's literally gonna take you less than 10 minutes, and I'm gonna show you exactly how. So let's say, for example, you want to replicate their latest video. Let me open it up to show you what it is actually. It's just a sound effect of a waterfall repeating on a loop for 10 hours, and just one single footage across the entire video. Just one single footage that has been looped for 10 hours, and one sound effect that's also looped for 10 hours. And this person is doing this twice a week and making almost $100,000 a month just from the ad revenue. So to get started with getting those videos done for absolutely free is to find different sound effects, different royalty-free sound effects, which you can loop for 10 hours for your videos. And the best way to do so is to go over to a website called freesound.org. This is over the freesound.org. This is a place where you can find thousands of different copyright-free sound effects which you can use for your videos. So here you have the search bar and you can search for whatever you think you want to put in your video. Let's say for example I want to search for waterfall sound effect. I can just type in the waterfall keyword in this box and it's gonna give me all of these different sound effects which I can use. Let me first of all check this one. I will press the play button to listen to it. Okay, so this is a really good one. In order to download this audio file from freesound.org, I need to create an account. So I need to click on login to download this button right here, then click on the register button right here, create a unique username, enter a valid email address, retype that email address, create a password, check this box, fill out the captcha and click create account. Once you create an account, you will be able to see this download button underneath that audio file. So just click download and the audio file will be immediately downloaded to your computer, so you will be ready to use it for your videos. That was the step number 1. Step number 2, branding. You obviously want to stand out, and to do so I highly recommend you create a unique watermark, create a unique logo to use for all of your videos. So you can just paste that watermark at the bottom of every of your video just to make them stand out, just to make them unique. And to do so you can come over to wix.com/logo/maker. This is an absolutely free online tool that's basically going to create a logo for you. So you can click on the start now button right here. That's gonna take you to the page where it's gonna ask you whether you want to hire a professional designer or you create a logo, or you want to create a logo yourself. Obviously we want to go for this absolutely free option, so just click create a logo. Now you will need to sign up to Wix Logo Maker. You can do so by manually entering your email address or by signing up with your Facebook, Google or Apple account. Now you will be able to start designing your logo. Enter the name of your YouTube channel, so maybe that's going to be relaxing sounds or whatever your YouTube channel is called. Just type that in right here and you can optionally add a tagline if you want to. I will click let's go. Now it's gonna ask me what's my logo for. I will type in something related to slipping and hit next. It's gonna ask me how should your logo look and feel. I want mine to be fun, playful, or maybe creative. Then hit next. Then it's gonna ask me which one of those I like better. I personally prefer this one. Then this one, maybe this one, and finally this one. Where do you want to use your logo? Obviously social media, and hit next. Now just wait for a couple of seconds and Wix will create a professional logo for you. So now I have all of these different logos that Wix has created for me, which I can use for my videos. I can use them as a watermark to brand all of my videos. So let's say for example I like this one. I can even customize it if I want to. If not, I can just download it to my computer and I will be ready to use it. So that was the step number 2, an optional step, but it's highly advised. You want to brand your channel, you want to stand out, so create a watermark for absolutely free with Wix.com. Now that you have those sound effects and you have your own watermark, your own logo to use for your videos, step number 3 is to get footage. And to do so you have 2 different options. First is to go over to storyblocks.com. This is a place where you can find loads of different royalty-free footage to use for your videos. And for example, I can search for the keyword nature, and that's gonna give me all of these professional videos which I can use. And they all come with a license, so I won't get any copyright issues. Now Storyblocks is not absolutely free. They do have a lot of professional footage, but it's around $20 a month. But if you want an absolutely free option, you can definitely get started with pixabay.com. Just go over to pixabay.com. This is a similar website to Storyblocks, but it's absolutely free. You can select videos right here and you can type in the keyword. For example, let's say I want to search for nature. That's gonna give me all of these different videos which I can use. Let's say for example I want to use this one for my video. All I have to do is click on it, click the free download button right here, click download, and it will be immediately downloaded to my computer. So that's how you can get a royalty-free footage to use for your videos. You literally just need one of those footages, loop it for 10 hours, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Add that watermark, add that audio file, and that's it. So once again, either storyblocks.com or pixabay.com. Pixabay.com is absolutely free, but it has less options, and Storyblocks is around $20 a month, but it has a lot more footage. Now you will just need to combine that footage with that audio file and watermark into one 10 hours long video so you can upload it over to YouTube. And you can use some of the free online softwares like Channel.Today. This is an absolutely free video editing software which you don't even have to download to your computer. You can literally just use the cloud-based app and create those videos online. You can just come over to Channel.Today, click on the video maker and start editing. Or you can use opurchunites.org. This is a little bit more advanced video editing software, but it's going to be really easy and simple. And OpenShot is really similar to the video editing software which I use called Sony Vegas. So you just need to open up your video editing software. For example, open up opurchunites.org, which is absolutely free to download and install. Upload those files. So just double click on that video which you got from Pixabay or storyblogs.com. Then add that sound effect. Now it should look something like this, and all you have to do is copy that footage, paste it, do it again and again and again and again and again. Maybe highlight all of this and copy that, paste it again, again and again until it's 1 hour long. As you can see, this is an hour-long video. Now I can do the same thing for that sound effect, for that audio file. I can just copy and paste it until I make an hour-long audio file. So let me just do it again and again and again and once again, something like this. And now I have an hour-long video. If I want to add a watermark, I can also upload that into the video editing software. And all of this, as you can see, can take less than 5 minutes of work, quite literally. So as you can see now, I've actually added my watermark as well above the footage, so it's kind of like branding my video. I just want to stand out. Now I can save this video and upload it over to YouTube. This was once again less than 5 minutes of work, and you saw that those type of videos make big money just from Google ad revenue alone. And you can see that these guys are doing the exact same thing. It's just one footage, sound effect in the background, and their logo at the bottom of the video. They make 2 of those videos a week and they make almost $100,000 a month. Once again, this is just one of the YouTube channels that are doing this successfully. So don't be lazy, don't look for excuses not to do this, but look for excuses to go out there and do this. I've showed you all of the steps that need to be taken in order to create those videos. Just create as many of them as you possibly can. The more of them you put out there, the higher chances you have of getting your channel bigger. And if you want to learn how you can actually grow your YouTube channels, how you can get views, subscribers, and how you can actually make money, then hit the first link in the description down below and I will help you with that. I will help you with a step-by-step training teaching you not only how you can grow quickly on YouTube, but also how you can monetize any of those YouTube channels. So how can you actually monetize that YouTube channel with ads so you can earn ad revenue as well. And I will also show you my personal business model. So once again, all of that is in the first link in the description down below. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.